Alright everybody, this is Rio. I'm coming at you with another FSD video. This is 13.2.2. Just got it. First drive in it actually. So we can test this all out together. Let's see how it does. Got out of that parking spot pretty well. We got a lot of people walking around here, a lot of cars. Okay, it's being a little overly cautious with this gentleman here, which it's not a horrible thing. Let's see how we're doing. So have you guys received 13.2.2? I just got it. It is Christmas Eve, which is, you know, I think a pretty nice little gift. 13.2.1 was great, but I think there was obviously a few hiccups that we thought could easily be solved with an update. So here we are. A little bit hot. All right. Got some traffic. Let's see. Okay, pulling out nicely. All right. Get this AC going a little stronger. I'm a little bit hot. Alright, pay attention to the road. Okay. Alright, yellow light, we're still going. So as you can see, we're still in supervised. I'm definitely looking forward to unsupervised, but I assume even in unsupervised mode, I'm still going to be supervising quite a bit. So, alright, here we go. Staying with the traffic nicely, doing a good job. Feels very natural. So as usual, you know, the very interesting parts of these FSD videos tend to be the parking, the driving to and from. You know, I haven't seen any problems in quite some time. No safety critical issues, at least personally. I have seen some online. The reviews for 13.2.2 have been like really tremendously positive on YouTube and Twitter and whatnot. So let's see if it sticks to it. You know, we just have moderate traffic here, double lane road, handling it pretty well. Nothing too difficult here, but it's handling it well. You know, I really do like the distance in between my car and the car in front of me. I think it's a really comfortable distance. Now we're already going 50 and a 45, and the Tesla looks like it's going to pass this Tundra, which I don't mind. I mean, we're going 54 and a 45. That's totally within the bounds of, you know, that's fine. 52, we're passing the Tundra here on the left. So some of the people that watch these videos obviously are not Americans, and they find that the fact that the car is going basically about 9 miles over the speed limit to be problematic. But basically the norm in America is that as long as you're not going 10 miles over the speed limit, it's fine, you know, because there's always passing and, you know, all that type of stuff. So the speed limit is really about 9 or 10 miles over. Ooh, okay, we got a little break here. It's really about 9 or 10 miles over the speed limit. I guess it's not that way in other countries, but that's how it is here. A lot of people here like the speed. Alright, so it's handling this all pretty well. I can't really complain. It feels very safe, very smooth. You know, I think this may be the version finally, well, we'll see, but after a couple more drives, I think this may be the version I should finally like show my family. I'm like, hey, look, like FSD actually works. The car can drive itself. Like, look at this. Excuse me, guys. I got something down here. I gotta move. It's making some noise. But this may be the version where you can really take it to your family and friends and say, hey, look, you get in the car, you press start, it drives there, it parks. It's all that simple, end to end. You don't have to do anything, and it works. It just works. And you know, that's really what we've all been waiting for, so I'm hopeful. You know, a few years ago, I was driving version 11 of FSD, and I mean, it was just, I mean, it worked pretty good, actually, but what people felt very uncomfortable, you know, and I think at this point, people can't tell if it's a human or the vehicle driving. Like, if I had my hands on the steering wheel, you couldn't really tell because it's that good. I mean, it's probably better than most drivers, actually, but at the minimum, it does seem to be pretty equal to a good driver. But, you know, I've only been in this version for a few minutes, so maybe I should pump the brakes, you know, metaphorically speaking. All right, so we're doing good. We're doing good. Get behind the Chevy. So we got in the left lane very smoothly. It's got the blinker on for me. Excellent. So after this left, we're gonna park over here on the in this shopping center pretty quickly, and the parking is always the most interesting. So let's see if they've been able to make any improvements since the last version. I'm hopeful they have. And I want to ask you guys, here in Texas, I'm seeing a lot of new Teslas. I'm seeing those, you know, the new tag they have. I'm seeing a lot of new Teslas here in Texas. I think the incentives, the discounts, the 0% APY, I think it has really spurred sales. So have you guys seen a lot of new Teslas where you live? I know there's some people from China watching, from Europe, other parts of the world, obviously a lot of Americans. Let me know if you guys have seen a lot of new Teslas, but I've been seeing the Cybertrucks. I've been seeing a lot of Ys, a lot of 3s. Not really so much the S and X's, but, you know. All right, I'm paying attention. I'm paying attention. All right. All right, handled that real well. Oh. Okay, it's getting over really nicely. Okay. Making a right here. Perfect. All right, now let's see the car park. That's what I want to see. I want to see the car park. It doesn't know where to go. Doesn't know where to go. is happening. So I'm not sure what's going on with the car right now. It's basically stopped in the middle of the road. It's not in park. There's no cars behind me, so I'll give it a second. But all right, so I think it's clear that, you know, there's still some kinks to be worked out with the parking. It's still a little unsure exactly how to handle some of these parking lots for whatever reason. And yeah, I guess as usual, the parking tends to be the part of the experience of the FSD that is still really, you know, under development, so to speak. So that's 13.2.2. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe you learned something from it. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a great Christmas and a great season. And yeah, if you like the videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep pumping out more. Thank you.